Been a hard year, chasing dreams, wondering what I am doing here.
Now the lights glow and the streets shine, but I'm alone in a city that's not mine.
So many hours I have dreamed of this day, hailing a cab, then boarding that plane.
Welcome, welcome in our home. Happy to see you, happy to hear you in our
Home where the fire is bright, the trees up and spirits are alive.
Zurini yako, e Jehovah.
Psalms 100, it says, sing to the Lord, all the world, worship the Lord with joy, come before Him with happy songs.
Every block we maneuver, so many memories growing up here. This was my town for so many good years.
Right down the road, just a mile or two, my family's waiting with an I love you. Car pulls up.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah.